Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product called the Easy Learning Printable. In this video, I'm going to show you what is exactly this product is called about, and you can see that. And other than that, I also have some exclusive bonus in order to help you to make more money online. And lastly, I will also review to you what are their price and upsell as well. As you know, and this you can see that this is an easy learning printable. Printable is that you can see in the sales player. It is published quickly with little to no writing needed. Published in demand content fast for this high demand and low competition with goldmine over 45 million repeat buyer. You can simply raise, repeat, and with this done for you get blueprint. So simply, there is also a product that is about how to start your publishing and low content publishing about the printable printable product. And you can see this is also very easy for you to do it because they have done for you blueprint in order to help you. You don't have to give you a newbie and don't know what is the printable. It is also no problem because the creator AB is she is a very experienced printable expert. And also to be in order and because I wanted to let you to make more money in this way other than affiliate marketing and make money online but side hustle email marketing and I also in order to help you to make more money as a side hustle with this high in demand but low contact publishing printable product. You don't have to and learn from scratch because Amy is very experienced and you will teach you and she will teach you and how you can how to start your printable business and also this is also what is Amy you and this found a very massive opportunity for easy to publish educational printable and also you can see that this also the e-learning market is projected to be worth 325 billion in 2021 and over about 91% teachers reported using online resources to plan their lesson and 24% of elementary students and 64% middle school students used at least one digital learning product every day. Printable and paper products are one of the top selling products on ESET. And also you can see that this also the platform they will use other than the Amazon. It also you can ESET, ESET. It's all about focus on educational printable market that is also focused on educational elementary and middle school and teachers. This just one side alone. Teacher pay teacher this platform will post over 13 million in gross sales last year. And you can just take a look at what is some of the example of successful educational printable store. And you can see that some of the also the asset they also have the printable educational printable sale and also start their store and this is also you can see and statistic asset has been steadily growing over the last 8 years and you can see this also the trend 41 in US others rank 45 billion buyer and 80% of the complete repeat customer user 4.97 billion in sales. This is also other than you can tap into the Amazon Kindle publishing teacher by teacher and also the eBay you can have 4 different platforms you can tap into and also you can have a very in-depth in-depth 嘅 easy learning printable PDF 嘅 guide 啦 ，and they will share and she will share 咧 40 very special 嘅 product goldmine the types of learning printable they are highly recommend and this is also the quick they will include the quick start step by step 嘅 checklist 啦 ，over the shoulder 嘅 video training 啦 ，and the worksheet to guide you through the creation 嘅 process 啦 ，this will be created done for you 嘅 learning 嘅 printable goldmine 啦。So what you will get is also you will get inside you will get about 102 嘅 pages of non-fluff 嘅 content data with strategy 啦 for the learning printable 嘅 market 啦。This is just a sample of what you will discover 啦。And then there is also the customer 嘅 testimonial 啦。This also have you have any frequent asked question 啦。This also what is easy learning printable 啦。Is also how to create best selling 嘅 learning printable for a variety of audience 啦。This with little to no writing leaders 啦。Also included done for you implementation 啦。Simple edit and publish 啦。Is also and what is also the training 咧 is focused on asset 啦 ，teacher by teacher 啦 ，and Amazon 啦。And also who is what is the target 咧 ？Anyone who wants to create income stream with little to no writing and no special skill required. This is also the what you will know 啦。You also to stream other 嘅 income stream 啦 ，as the side hustle at the comfort of your home. You don't have to learn from scratch because they have done for you 嘅 material 啦 ，from you how to get started very fast 啦。Publisher, low content creator, author, blogger, online marketer, service provider, and much more 啦。If you are new, this is can I get started? You are new 啦 ？Absolutely, they will show you step by step, and you have the knowledge and unstoppable. You will how to start your way 啦 to printable success 啦。You don't have to shipping absolutely no because you are selling digital download, so you don't have to deal with the shipping. And also you can see that there's a ton of the material you will get you will get a quick and easy guide to using the Canva 啦 ，over 6,000 嘅 royalty free 嘅 clip art 嘅 image 啦 ，over 200 嘅 hand created royalty free 嘅 photo, illustration and image resources 啦 ，is all what you will get is also in-depth 嘅in-depth 啦 ，102 嘅page guide 啦 ，done for you checklist 啦 ，easy to follow over the shoulder 嘅 video 啦 ，12 easy to edit 嘅 done for you template 啦 ，free worksheet to guide easy learning 嘅 printable process 啦 ，and also you will get a free exclusive bonus 啦 ，a quick and easy guide to using Canva 啦。over 6,000 嘅 royalty free 嘅 clip art image 啦 ，over 200 嘅 hand create royalty free 嘅 photo illustration and image resources 啦 ，and also they will come with but you have to pay attention. They will come with a full 7-day 嘅 no 100% money back guarantee just for 7 days. It's no 30 days. It's not 30 days. Just for the full 7-day 嘅 100% money back guarantee 7 days just for 7 days 啦。Okay, this is also Amy 啦。So, okay, let's take a look at what my exclusive bonus for you to help you to make more commission 啦。So let's take a look 啦。This is also included a 9 exclusive bonus for you 啦。Bonus number 1, you will get 15嘅 KDP 啦，就係Kindle Publishing 嘅Kindle Publishing 嘅 books 啦。How to make $100 啦。You will get 15 嘅 different KDP low content books that make $100 per day with no design skill 啦。Bonus number 2, you will get 5 Amazon 嘅 idea 啦。5 Amazon 嘅KDP low content books idea that are lighting up the Amazon 嘅 charts 啦。Bonus number 3, you will get book interior video 啦。How to make profitable KDP low content book interior fast and free。Bonus number 4, you will get maximize the performance for KDP books 啦。Optimize your low content books for maximize the performance 啦。 Bonus number 5, you will get low contact book ideas. Performance for KDP books. 6 ways to come up with low contact books idea. Bonus number 6, you will get free tool for KDP niche research. Number 1 free tool for low contact book niche research for KDP. Canto Publishing. Bonus number 7, you will get a profitable KDP niche in 2020. How to find profitable KDP low contact book niche in 2020 is also profitable in 2021. Bonus number 8, you will get almost Amazon advertising sponsor product tutorial. How to promote your low contact book on Amazon. Bonus number 9, this is also my last bonus. Step to start KDP business. How to upload low contact KDP books to Amazon and start your KDP publishing business. So you can get access to all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hit 0. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Raw Reports. Simply click the link below. Simply you have clicked the link below in the description. The first link they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, and you just simply click any blue button and go through the sales page. When you pick up the front end, you will get all my exclusive 9 exclusive bonus about how to publish your low contact book on Amazon. All of my 9 exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Raw Reports automatically before the countdown timer hit 0. So let's take lastly, I also will go through what is the price and upsell as well. Asset Learning Printable is also about you will get 14 special product goldmine. This is also I revealed to you how much does you go $19.99. You will get a comprehensive training, checklist, video, templates, and much more. Included in-depth easy learning printable KDP book is over the 100 page checklist. Over the shoulder video training done for you template with commercial rights, worksheet to guide you and also much more bonus you will get and I revealed to you you have the free exclusive bonus. Upsell number, they also have free upsell. Upsell number 1, easy learning quick start $27. You will get a customizable template for early and learning printable and much more. Upsell number 2, easy implementation asset success $37. You will get how to succeed in asset success and get up and running quickly with my asset success implementation. Last upsell number 3, instant cheat sheet publishing $27. Easy to use cloud-based software creates content field checks cheat sheet in minutes. It's also if you want to have a very easy for you to publish cheat sheet for to produce the close content, you will highly recommend you should at least pick up upsell number 3, and this is also cheat sheet publishing. If you want to quickly to get started, you should pick up upsell number 1 $27. It also have much more custom template for your easy to start your printable business. So what is the benefit if you're interested how to identify the easy profitable learning printable topic why easy learning printable different from other printable product where and how to find free and low cost graphic image and fonts to use in your learning printable how to leverage huge built-in SEO audience of buyer on popular easy and learning printable sales site how to easily create learning printable with well-known software how to identify the best marketplace how to bundle your printable to learn more profit all of them they will happy to you will have 7-day money back guarantee so I also recap what my 9 exclusive bonus for you bonus number 1 you will get 15 KDP books make $100 bonus number 2 you will get 5 Amazon idea bonus number 3 you will get a book interior video bonus Bonus number 4, maximum good performance for KDP books. Bonus number 5, you will get a low contact book ideas. Bonus number 6, you will get a free tool for KDP niche research. Bonus number 7, you will get a profitable KDP niche in 2020, but is it also profitable in 2021? Bonus number 8, you will get Amazon 嘅 advertising sponsor 嘅 product tutorial. Last bonus, bonus number 9, you will step by step to start your KDP business. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Pass. Simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, when you press this blue button, and we will redirect you to your sales page. If you pick up just the front end, you will get my 9 exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Pass automatically. So lastly, thanks for taking time to check out my Easy Learning Printable course and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, I also have other playlists including marketing tips idea, multiple stream of income, make money online tips. Also, don't forget to check out my description below. Other than the first link and is my bonus page, and also I have a ton of the freebie you can easily download. I have 2 training course. I have 2 training course. You can create your account. I also have 2 additional training. And also I included 1 free report you can easily download. I also recently I included a free system how you can make money in 12 income stream. Also lastly, I also included a free exclusive training workshop. You can register. This workshop will help you to make more money online. So don't forget to check out my description below to grab your freebie. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.